After watching this course, you will learn from website making technology from start to end. And I am going to tell you how to create a successful and profitable website for your clients or your own business. This course is also for the peoples who do not know anything about web development. If you do not have any knowledge of programming, this course is going to be perfect for you. By doing this course, you can also start your web development career and earn millions of rupees. Before starting the course, you like this video and comment where are you from and your name too, so that if I want to share some of these materials, then I can understand that you are the viewers of my channel. Welcome back to all of you in my channel. I am Samiruddin and today I am going to start our web development tutorial. After watching this course, you can create your own professional website by learning complete HTML, CSS and JavaScript. If you ever have any problem during this course, then feel free to comment or mail me at given email ID. So before going ahead, let's understand what is HTML, CSS and JavaScript and how do websites work. If you have seen this video well today, then you will never have a problem to understand how HTML, CSS and JavaScript works in serving a website. All the people who are watching this video will know that it is necessary to make a kind of websites, and without it, it is not going to work. Even if you also use WordPress or any other type of website builder, then it is also has a built-in case. You can consider HTML as structure, CSS as beautifulness and JavaScript as a brain. And also you can consider human body as HTML, dresses as CSS and JavaScript as a brain of an human body to easily understand the concept behind HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Now let us go to understand how like HTML, CSS and JavaScript or any other language works as a website. And two things are there. First one is client who requests something to the server and other is web server. Suppose you are in Delhi, you opened samiruddinconsultancy.co.in and there is a cable from Delhi to that server and which is on the server like google.com that is situated in Google server. And everyone has their own IP addresses and the website remains on the clip its files and its backend. Backend may be in PHP, Python or Node.js that we'll discuss later, and the server generates return response after receiving the client request by manipulating HTML, CSS, JavaScript or any other technology through backend computation. HTML contains all CSS and JavaScript files like an envelope, and after that client will get his result. Now the question arises where the result will be displayed. So the answer is that by manipulating the documents written in HTML and CSS, what you have to see is visible on your web browsers like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge, etc. So in upcoming videos, we will know more about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which tools we need to write the codes, how does this whole mechanism work practically, how to build websites using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, how we will use these things in integrated way to build our websites. So if you like this video, then you will definitely like it, share it to your friends also, because this course is going to be very important nowadays. And you must have subscribed to my channel because I am going to bring many important courses in the upcoming time, which will be free of cost available on my YouTube channel and my blog. Now allow your friends. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Good luck. Goodbye.